In Istanbul, Turkey, a biker was lane splitting. And sure, lane splitting comes with its risks. But what happened here was absolutely not the rider's fault. I mean, who expects someone to just open their door on the highway? Even in traffic, nobody does that. Luckily, the rider was fine. A car door opening on the highway is completely unexpected and extremely dangerous. This is why drivers should always check their mirrors before opening a door, no matter the situation.